Hey y'all, I'm glad you found me if you've never heard of Miss Katie or Heritage Ways. And if you've been with me a long time, I say welcome back. Welcome to Heritage Ways, welcome home. Heritage Ways YouTube has been here since 2017. And I took a little break for a variety of reasons, but now at the last part of 2025, I'm happy to say I'm back. I'm ready to be back to visit with y'all and to share homemaking content, particularly recipes and Southern cooking. So Heritage Ways YouTube is going to be used to support or enrich heritageways.com. We have a great, beautiful new website, so I hope you'll check it out. I've got printable recipes, I've got blogs, and I'm going to be adding more and more content. I'm going to be adding some photos to the recipes and all kinds of things there. So I want you to check out heritageways.com, and I'll leave the link down below for you to easily click that. So what is Heritage Ways? If you're new here, I welcome you. I love having people in my home. I love showing hospitality. My husband, Mr. Patient, and I have been married for 36 years. We've shown hospitality all of our married life to hundreds and hundreds of people, as did our parents before us in their homes. So I welcome you in, and I'm so glad you're here. And by the way, if you're ever in the area of Middle Tennessee, drop me a comment or email me and let me know, because we can meet up. I would love that as well. So I travel and teach homemaking. I teach in-person small classes, kind of like, think of a old time like Tupperware party or the Mary Kay party, those kinds of things in a home. Or I teach at big events under big tents to a lot of people. And I teach the old skills like taking care of cast iron or just scratch cooking or home dairy. So I travel to do that, and I love to do that. That is my passion, to meet you and talk to you and teach. I teach here at Heritage Ways YouTube, and going forward, many of you, thank you for encouraging me, but many of you have asked me to come back, and so Lord willing, I'll be posting a video per week. So you can check the description box to see what day that's going to be every week once I decide which day of the week that will be. So check that out. So I invite you to subscribe here at Heritage Ways YouTube, or check to make sure you are subscribed if you thought you were, because YouTube likes to mess with our heads a little bit and unsubscribe people. Go check out heritageways.com. I'm also on Pinterest and Instagram. And I just encourage diligent homemakers. What's a diligent homemaker? A diligent homemaker is a man or woman, a woman, it could be a man, who is doing the best that they can with what they have at home, whether it's, cooking with local foods, or just, how to shop and get decent quality foods at the grocery store or market or wherever. Just doing the best you can where you are with what you have. And sometimes our energy is a depleted resource. Do you agree? I mean, sometimes I'm just too tired to do the long drawn out homemade version of something. So it's okay. It's okay to use a box or a can every now and then. It's okay to not milk a cow. It's okay to not have your own chickens, but it's okay if you do. And we're just doing the best we can. A diligent homemaker's heart is at home. Love home, I love homemaking, and I want to encourage you in that. I just want to remind you to count your blessings, because when I've done that in life, it has really opened up my attitude and brightened my attitude so that I could get through the hard things. When I write down a blessing a day and know what the Lord has given me, I give him all the glory, and I ask you to count your blessings. Make sure you subscribe. I'm glad to be back with you. Our family, if you've been with us a while and you might be confused, we've just moved from Ohio, where we've been for the past 5 years, back to Middle Tennessee, which is our home, if you will. It's where we're from. So we're glad to be back here. We enjoyed being there and we're blessed, but now we're glad to be back here. So happy to be with you and look forward to talking with you again. Make sure you tell your friends that I'm back on YouTube. Heritage Ways is back on YouTube regularly. Make sure to share this, and I'll see you soon.